What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing Goku's Mastered Ultra Instinct eyes, right? So I was doing the eyes sort of as shorts, but I like doing it so much that I thought I would do it in a longer form video. So I'm on a landscape page for this. Use pencil and eraser for these tutorials. Hit pause if I go too fast. So start with the W in the middle sort of his eyes, right? I'm a little bit lower down than halfway. So to get us started, we'll do these two sort of bumps just here. And you can do them round or square, right? So kind of like a little W shape. Some people like to do them flat, some people like to do them straighter. But we'll bring it up around this way. Right, same on the other side. I thought it might be good to just concentrate on eyes for a couple of videos, because I know that's how I start a lot of my videos, and it might be a stumbling block for some people. So if we just do some eye lessons, might be a good idea. Right, so then his eyebrow, right, so we got this check mark that comes out from here, right, in Dragon Ball. So we'll just curve this around like that, kind of following this line for the frown, right? And then what it does is it ticks and goes diagonal, right? So we'll go we're going to go real big now, right out nearly to the edge of my page here. Okay, kind of curves at the end, and then we have this square line there, and then we will bring this back down. So it curves at first, and then it gets real thin, right? So it goes down this way, down like, up to there, right? So very sort of thin down here. And it varies, you know. You could have it thicker at the bottom, thinner on top. I mean, like sometimes these lines can be a little bit thicker. Depends on what the animators are trying to do, I guess. And then we can have some lines just on the end here. So then the other eyebrow. So we do that same thing again. And then we will go around and up. And then curve at the end. Like so. Same sort of thing again. Square end to there. And then we'll bring it down. Curve it up. And again, some hairlines sort of at the end here, this kind of stuff. Like that. Right, so the actual white of his eye, typical Dragon Ball eyes. So we go a short line just here, and then a long line diagonally that way, right? So the angle is harder on this one than this one. This one kind of goes perpendicular to the eyebrow, and this one is more angled to the left. And then we'll join them together. Now you can do this as a curved line or a straight line, right? So this can be curved if you want. Do the same thing over the other side, right? So you got your angled line here, and this one kind of comes straight down from the eyebrows, kind of like a perpendicular line. That means that like in here you've got like a 90-degree angle, right? More or less. And this one's kind of a sharper angle. And then we'll join those together. Like so. Right, and then we'll go around for his iris. So it's a half circle coming down from his eyebrow, right? So you just go around like that. And then another half circle smaller for his iris. And then just shade it in. Do the same thing over here. Half circle, another half circle for his iris, shade it in. Right, and then you can add, sometimes he has shines, right? So we'll draw it in. Right, like a shine there. Maybe one on this side as well. Right. You could do two if you want. You could do a smaller one down there. Maybe I will. Like that. And you could shade these in silver and grey. So then just some extra little detail lines, like some frown lines just up here on his brow. And then the cheek marks, those characteristic Dragon Ball check marks, right? So you just go like that, right? Really sort of gives it that Dragon Ball look. And you go same thing over here, like so. And that is it, guys. Then you just color the eyes and the eyebrows. That's how to draw Goku's MUI Mastered Ultra Instinct Eyes. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.